Today I'm going to show you how to change the LCD on Honor X6B. Honor X6B. You must make sure the screen must come out so that it can be removed easily.
Hello.
Hello.
You're still busy?
Yeah, you know the original screen. Yeah, to take it out is taking time.
Okay, but did you do mine first? The pink?
This one is yours.
I'm not sure. The one with the pink cover.
The pink is the this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's this one.
How long is it still gonna be?
When I remove this one,
Yeah.
when this one is out, it can take only 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's now 10. Then I'll come 10:30.
What time now?
It's now 10 minutes before.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure.
Sure. You see, this one, they're my customer. They want to collect this phone. I'm doing it now. You see, this one is the original screen. So the original screen to come out is taking time. I'm using this outstation machine. You must make sure this LCD, the original one, must come out. So that it can come easily out.